out on the street for a living. Pictures only begun. Ooh, got you under their thumb. Hit it! Bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Ba bada 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 bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Ba bada bada bada. Out on the street for a living. Pictures only begun. Her day is sown in madness. Got you under their thumb. Ooh, black diamond. Ooh, black diamond. Darkness will fall on the city. Seems to follow you too. And though you don't ask for pity, there's nothing that you can do. Ooh, black diamond. Ooh, black diamond. Bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Bada 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 bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Bada 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 bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Pictures only begun. Bada 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 bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Got you under there. Bada 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 bum. Black diamond, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, black diamond. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, wow.
Black Diamond by Kiss.
That was
And on
great.
the guitar, Michael Lyons. Now please welcome the star of the show,
Oh, get up.
NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech, Winnie Mushane. Thank you, sweetheart. And BOOZHOO, how you doing? Oh, wow, you guys, that was great. I never heard Black Diamond that way before. You guys are really good. And today, let's see, today's Ojibwe word of the day. Well, it's Anima e Gija Good. It is prayer day. So maybe we should just say a quick prayer. So, if you haven't heard this before, in the traditional Anishinaabe way, it's good to take a little bit of tobacco, osema. Should we make that a Ojibwe word? Osema, tobacco. It's good to put a little tobacco. You can either put it in your pipe and smoke it, or you can just put it out as a tobacco offering. You can put it in a tree. But you put a little tobacco out for Gitche Manadu, the Great Spirit. And you can just, you don't have to make a big deal out of it. You can just say, BOOZHOO Gitche Manadu. Hello, Great Spirit. NANABOOZHOO Nindija Nekaz. NANABOOZHOO is my name. But, use your own name. And then just say, miigwech. Miigwech kakina gegu ka iji chikean nungum. Miigwech kakina gegu. Thank you for everything. Ga iji chikean, that you do nungum today. Thank you for everything that you do today. And, ni miigwechi wendem. I'm grateful. It's important to be grateful. And tell them you're grateful for your life. Ni miigwetchi wendam, kaiji bimadaziyan. I'm grateful for my life. Miigwetchkichi manadu. Thank you for my life. I mean, that's no small favor. And let's put out your tobacco and say miigwetch. Miigwetch bizindawieg. Thank you for listening, Gitchi manadu. And that's all there is to it. And everything will fall into place and go well for you. If you just connect with Gitchi manadu. And with that, I'm just going to say miigwetch bizindawieg to you people. Thank you for listening to me rattle on. And miigwetch kanawabieg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO. Actually, honey, do you want to send us out? You do much better than me. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, Neiman Wyndham, Omanum, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Hoa. Oh, and give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.